Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Wisdom of the Wild Things Oracle. This is written by Angi Sullins with artwork by Evaboneva. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly. This is published by US Game Systems. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way. I am so excited. This retails for $26.95 in the US. And as always, in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. And I do have a link tree there in the description box as well, so you can check out all of my socials as well as some other fun stuff too. All right, let's get into this. So, Wisdom of the Wild Things. A legendary author once showed us where the wild things are. While you can search the pages of story, climb the mountains, and swim the oceans of our planet to seek them out, the original wildlings live in the realm of psyche. Critters of all shapes and sizes dwell there, and our lives are better if we seek to discover and understand them. Use the oracle cards and the lushly illustrated guidebook to discover the wildlings of your own inner forest of psyche. Dare to join the wild rumpus. Set includes 45 silver gilt-edged cards, a 112-page full-color guidebook, and organza drawstring pouch. All right, I love the little mushrooms. Okay, here we go. Ooh, it says, there remains a remnant of wild magic in this world. Seek it and you will find it. Seek it with all your heart and you will one day become it. All right, here's the nice little organza bag, which is great if you like to take your cards with you. We do have a ribbon. There's the book, and here's the cards. Oh, that's fun with the silver. There's the bottom of the box. How fun. All right. I think this is going to be adorable. But before we get into the cards, I do want to take a look at the guidebook to see if there's any particular way that we have to utilize it. There's no wrong way to use this deck. All right. Just pull a card. And then it just goes into each of the card decks. And then Angi has a lot of poems that she does throughout her decks as well. So those are always a nice little read as well. I just want to see. Okay. Perfect. All right, let's get into the deck. I'll unwrap this and be right back. All right, here's the back. Look at how cute those little guys are. Oh my goodness. It is a high gloss. They are very slippery. As I was unwrapping it, they just fell out of my hands. So I did put them back in order. So we'll see if any do come out of order. But look at that nice gilded edge there. And here we go. We have the number and the title at the bottom, which I will read out because sometimes it's hard to see on the screen. So we have beginnings. So derpy looking. I love it. Communion. Oh my goodness. Invite your monster to tea. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. What fun illustrations. Be yourself. And the cardstock is really nice. It is what you've come to expect from the US Game Systems cardstock. Very flexible, snaps right back, but easy to shuffle. As I put down the card that we haven't seen yet. Be yourself. I love the mushrooms. I think it's so much fun. I love that they're not too scary of creatures. Transition. Ooh, play. Candy for head. Let yourself be carried. Remember the bones. Bravely go. Laughter heals. I mean, it's creative, it's fun, it's different. Intentional stillness. Oh, that's pretty. Get untangled. Oh, this one's so cute. Oh my gosh. Bring on the haggitude. Harvest. Oh, I love it with the pumpkins, the cape, everything. Yes. The vines coming out of her ears. Fantastic. Retract. Beware the happy toxins. Poison plant tag down there. Protect your boundaries. Conjure the magic. Listen to the music of your soul. Gratitude of forgiveness, or gratitude or forgiveness. Oh. Listen to the little creature in your belly. Bloom in the mud. Restore innocence. Alchemize pain. I could see this not being a deck for everyone. It is a little out there, but I myself am a little out there, so I can appreciate the weirdness, I'll say. I think it's fun. This is fantastic. Don your witch hat. I love that. Unconditional self-acceptance. That quote, I too am weird and unusual. Or I myself, yes, I myself am weird and unusual. Mind that monkey. Beware the shame creature. He just looks like he's judging you too, with his little crossed arms like that. Here's your do-over. Take action. Cultivate story. Guard the nesting ground. Embrace effortlessness. Light the candle of grace. Ooh, honor your body as friend. Oh, remember the wooby. Oh my gosh, his face. Oh, love it. Quiet the anxiety monster. Okay, I am just so in love with this deck. The illustrations are like the amount of joy that I find in this already is phenomenal. Great. Focus. Remember who you are. Oh my goodness. Navigate the flow. Allow anger. Bury your dead. Tend to your partnerships. Quest into the subconscious. And welcome the unwelcome. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, not an issue. It is very slippery, so it doesn't take much torque to get it to shuffle. And yeah, fantastic. I love this size of the deck too, especially for my hands. All right, let's get a card to read. Okay. We're going to read for Guard the Nesting Ground. So there's no table of contents in this book, but it does go by the number of the cards, so it's easy to flip through. So we have Guard the Nesting Ground. Nesting is an important part of the creation process. Whether you shift your physical space to feel more like a home than a house, or nurture a project, idea, or dream with care until it is able to take on a life of its own. Now is the time to incubate. Keep your own counsel for a time. Be careful whom you share with. Hold on to your enthusiasm. Guard your treasure. Keep to the forests of contemplation as your intentions and this new life grow strong and vital. Stay close to the nest. If you aren't fostering new fledgling life right now, this moment calls for discernment. Sometimes we get so hungry for connection and approval, we overshare or give away our gifts to folks who are unworthy of our intimacy. This is an invitation to step back and consider how you are sharing. Okay, and then we do have a full color page of the card as well throughout here. I really like this. I think this is fun, unique, different, very beneficial for like a daily pull or like a confirmation deck. Just wildly different. And I love that. I think this has been something that is completely different from what I have in my collection, as far as just is like very out there, and I love that. But it's definitely still having the gentleness to it, even though some of the creatures are a little creepy in a way. But like, to me, it's a good creepy. I think it's definitely, it hits the itch of fantasy and creep factor really well for me. Borderline surrealism. And I think it's just fun. It's definitely really cool. I'm going to have to check out Evaboneva's work more, because I'm so digging this art style. I think it's very fun. Definitely right up my weirdness alley. So I'm very excited to get to know this a lot more. And now I want to know what you guys think of this deck. Is this something that you're excited about? Is this something that you're like, not for me? Let me know all your thoughts down below in the comments, and leave a little emoji of a mushroom to let me know that you've made it this far. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way. I'm very excited to get to know it. Thank you, Angi Sullins, for, putting out deck after deck after deck. Amazing. I have no words for that. That's really cool. I'm always excited to see what she comes up with next, because it's phenomenal. So with all of that to say, thank you so much everyone for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.